change an attachment on a Kubota skid steer with a quick coupler. Under your left armrest, flip this cover up. You'll see an unlock and lock. You hold it down in the unlock position until the coupler is all the way open. Now we're going to position ourselves. Pick up your bucket and then curl it back all the way. Now that it's curled back, you're going to go back over here, lift it up, hit the lock side and hold it down. Watch what happens. To undo it is the same procedure, except in reverse. Hold down, unlock. You'll see those little ears for those cylinders go all the way up. Keep holding, and it's released. You're gonna put your bucket down, and you're free.